Hey guys, I just want to do a little review of my new Poulan Pro lawnmower. This is the PP24VA54. It has the 54-inch deck. 24 horse Briggs & Stratton V-twin. I bought this from Home Depot. I paid about $1,400. It was on sale. It's 20% off. I bought it online actually and shipped it to the store and went and picked it up. Didn't have any issues there other than it took them forever to bring it out to me, but it's okay. It came out fine, no dents, scratches, or any of that. All the pieces were there. Ships without the deck on, comes in a crate. Overall, it's a pretty darn nice lawnmower. I like it so far. Mow with it once. Mows great. Just to give you some information, the deck comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Wash the deck here. Comes with the attachment. Put on your hose. One thing I really like is the grease zerks are up here on top. We've seen a lot of mowers where they're not, where they're on the bottom actually, so that's nice. And this bar, if you release this, releases the tension on the belt, which is also really handy if you're replacing the belt or whatever in the future. Of course, the throttle. To start it, you put it there and then just turn the key. Starts right up, no choke. Lights, they work. Deck height. I'm mowing right about here, about 3.5 inches. Of course, here this is your release for the transmission, and this is a automatic, not hydrostat. And from what I understand is that's supposed to run cooler. It's supposed to be, I guess, a little better option over hydrostat. I see a lot of mowers going to automatic. So, and of course, there are the pedals. And here is the knob to turn the deck on and off. It's electronic. Of course, hour meter. Nice seats, pretty comfortable. It's a little far forward for me right now, but fix that. Again, under the hood, a gas tank is under the hood, and you can kind of get a better look at the motor here. It's a pretty nice lawnmower. So far, so good. I don't see why that's going to change in the future. Very nice looking lawnmower. They are built by Husqvarna, if you aren't familiar with Poulan. So, overall, I think it's really nice quality, and I'll get some footage of mowing with it here in just a little bit. But just want to give you a little review of it. If it ever goes on sale again for $1,400, that is a deal for this, considering the 46-inch version of this with a smaller motor runs $1,400. So I paid $1,439 for this from Home Depot online. So get on there, check. It's normally $1,800. Cannot beat $1,400 though for this lawnmower. And I got a couple acres to mow, and so far so good. So I'll get some footage of mowing and put it on here. Thanks for watching, guys.